Good morning, my girlies. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can keep your press-on nails lasting for up to a full month. I have these press-on nails that I just did last night, and I will tell you all of the details of where to get the press-on nails and how to apply the glue and everything to keep them long lasting for up to a month. I actually learned this technique from an actual nail salon, and I went to get my press-on nails done, and I was taking mental notes during the time that I was there. And I used these techniques ever since. Every single time I get consistent results where my press-on nails will last for 3 weeks to up to a month. The first step that you want to do is actually have your press-on nails. And where I get my press-on nails is Shein.com. You can get so many different varieties of press-on nails for a very affordable price, $1.50, maybe $2. So many to choose from. They have pre-made designs on them. They have different colors, different styles. You can also just get the straight regular nails without any design on them. You will also need nail glue, which I got this nail glue from Shein itself. This one is really working well. What I suggest is you look up the reviews on Shein when you look up nail glue and make sure that the reviews are saying that it works well and that it lasts, or you could just try to find this specific kind. And you will also need a nail file, which comes with your press-on nails. And then of course, if you want, you can also get some stickers, which you can get from Shein again for just a couple dollars or less. And then top coat. So the top coat is something that you will put on top of the nails after you're done. And now let's go ahead and go through the steps. Then I'm going to actually demonstrate with my own press-on nails so that you can see how to do it in detail. All right, so step one is you have your supplies. You have the press-on nails, you have the stickers, you have the nail file, the top coat, and the glue. Step two is to trim your nails and clean them. So you want to make sure that they are trimmed, they are short, they are clean, and they are dry. Step three is that you want to size the press-on nails to your actual nails. You're going to go through each different nail in the box, and you're gonna just like put it on your actual nail and make sure that when it presses down that it is fitting correctly. And then you'll just go through all of them, and as you do so, you can put them aside in a row so that you remember which one's which for later. Step four is where you will actually begin the process. So you're going to sand the top of your nails, and this part is really important if you want to keep those press-on nails lasting longer and staying on longer. Buff it basically. So you're sanding it down, you're buffing it. You don't have to do too much. I know at the nail salon they really buff it a lot, and I had to tell the girl, like, please stop. Like, I don't need my nails being filed down to like super thin in order to achieve long-lasting press-on nails. So please, like, don't overdo it, just like a little bit. So then you're also gonna go with the actual press-on nail. It's another secret tip that I learned from the nail salon. So you're gonna go with the press-on nail, and you're gonna go underneath, like inside of the press-on nail where it's going to stick onto your nail, and you're going to sand that down too. So you're gonna be sanding and buffing inside of the press-on nail as well. By the way, go ahead, like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. I do lots of DIYs, fashion, and style videos. And then you're gonna make sure you also clean your nails again before you begin pressing anything on. Step six is to put the glue onto the nail. So you're gonna have like a few seconds to put it onto the nail, and you're also going to put it onto the bottom of the press-on nail. So you just need like a little coat on each. So you're gonna coat the full nail, and then you're gonna coat all of the area that's going to be touching the nail with the press on. And then you're going to put it on. So you're gonna put the press on nail, and you're going to hold it down for like 30 seconds and make sure that it is like bonding to the nail. You want to really be pressing it down in order to lock in the glue from the press-on nail and from your real nail, and just like bond everything. It's such a great technique here. So these are all things that I learned from the nail salon. I'm continuing on. Step seven. This part is also crucial. You are going to, after you have pressed on the nail for 30 seconds, after it's bonded onto your real nail, you are then going to use the little brush here. So there's like the glue brush, and you are going to just put glue drops on the inside portion of the nail and on the sides, and even up top if there is any space or anything. So you're gonna seal around the nail. That is so crucial for making them last longer. And lastly, once everything is dry, you are going to use a quick dry top coat, and you're just going to coat the nail. You can also put stickers on before this, so you can put your nail stickers on and designs and then do the top coat, or you could just do the top coat if you already like the design that comes with the nail. And the reason why this is important is because this is going to seal in the design, because if you're going to be wearing them for 3 weeks or up to a month, you want to make sure that the design is going to be like protected. So this is going to protect the design, it's going to protect the sticker or whatever it is that you want to put on it, and that is going to be the last step to keeping your nails looking amazing for up to a month. I would love your support if you go ahead, like, and subscribe. All right, everyone, so that is my video for today. I hope it really helped you. I hope it gave you some really awesome new techniques that are going to be useful for you in getting those beautiful manicured nails to last longer. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.